Geneviève Ocean.
Léa Marsan, 3e 2.
Clint Eastwood was born in California in 1930.
At 20 years old, he did his military service.
After this, he left San Francisco to move in LA.
In the 50s, he was a contract player in Universal Studios, and 10 years later he played in popular TV series Rawhide.
In 1964, he led in the film A Fistful of Dollars, and 3 years later, he created the production company Malpaso.
From then on to 1971, he starred in many more films, and from then on, he produced, directed, and starred in Play Misty for Me and in Dirty Harry.
When he is 58 years old, he made Bird, and 4 years later, he produced, directed, and starred in The Unforgiven.
In 2008, after Gran Torino, he had already produced, directed, and starred in many films.
And he had already got 2 Academy Awards for $1 Million Baby.